Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Elevated Living by Veena Developers located in Borivali West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel, where you can also see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you run an query, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2 acres that will have 2 iconic towers consisting of 1 basement, ground plus 2 levels of commercial plus 3 podium plus 31 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located on Chandravarkar Road near Raj Mahal Hotel, Borivali West near to SV Road, from where Borivali railway station is only at a distance of 100 meters, Link Road is at a distance of 200 meters and you have SV Road at a distance of 100 meters from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 60 plus luxurious amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, senior citizen area, party deck, kids play area, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 675 to 775 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 909 to 1065 square feet. Also, for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. Also, the EOI amount for 2 BHK is of 11 lakhs and for 3 BHK is of 15 lakhs. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Elevated Living by Veena Developers located in Borivali West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.